We are asked which of the following is a factor of the determinant A. Now to solve this, it is better that we do some elementary raw operations and make this determinant a little bit more compact. Let's say I am going to do R2 equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 equal to R3 minus R1. So the determinant will get reduced to the first row as it is, and we have 0 here, B minus A, CA minus BC. Now here will be 0, R3 minus R1, that will be Z minus A, AB minus BC. Now we can find out the determinant expanding along this column. That will be 1 into B minus A. Let's do it here. That is 1 into B minus A into AB minus BC minus C minus A into CA minus BC. This is the value of the determinant. Now we can take B common from here, that is B into B minus A into A minus C minus C minus A into, we can take C common from here, that is A minus B into C. Can take minus outside, that will be B into, we will take minus from here, that is B into A minus B into A minus C. We will take minus from here also, that will be minus of A minus C into A minus B into C. So minus into minus, we will have a plus sign here. From this again we can take A minus B and A minus C as common, so we will be left with C minus B. So we have factorized it completely. Now let's see which of the options satisfies this relation. So we are asked which of the following is a factor of A. Clearly option B is a factor of this determinant A. So the correct answer is option B.